Okay, I'm in the editor, the Control B to open up the side panel tab here. Open up the models file here. So it's in the root of the project directory. I'll hit this, Control B again to make it smaller. And I will, so right, I have a food one here. I'm gonna copy the first part of it, Control C to copy it. And then we're gonna change it to food description. So for a different model, food description, and the table name will be food underscore description. Very good. We'll leave the unique identifier the same. So this is a unique universal identifier for this food description. And we don't need the name here. We're going to keep the description for now. And we're going to attempt to do a product ID with the UUID, and we'll have it be field foreign key, foreign key equals products dot ID. Index will be true and nullable will be false. Nullable. Okay, let's apply the model. So better if I use this one. So I'll go UV run Python, opman migrate, create. We'll put start food description. Actually, maybe I should change this to food ID, and we'll call it foods ID. Going to Alembic, versions, okay, didn't run it. We'll go back here, we'll try to create the migration. Added food description. We created the migration. Now I'm going to try to add it in. Migrate, upgrade, and it ran it. So I'm in admin. I'm going to go to maybe views, and I'll set up the same as the food admin. I'll just copy it. Control C, Control V, and what did I call it? Food description. So on the second one, we'll go food description admin. Let's just start with the ID. Which would be kind of long. We can switch it later. And then in the setup, we have to import food description admin. And then at the bottom, we'll go admin.add view food description admin uv run opman.py run server. Okay, I forgot to change this to food description, and then I likely need to import it. Oh, let's import it right there. Model. Oh, this is the wrong one. Control right here, the second one. Food description. Okay, appears to be running. Check out the admin panel. Okay, there's no food descriptions currently. So I'm going to close the setup and focus back on the model here. So I'm going to add the version, which will be an integer. So we're going to have multiple versions. And we'll add some stuff for the approval workflow. Well, the status should be a string, could be a field. Default will be draft. And the max length will be 20 equals is published. The Boolean will have it equal to the field default equals false. Tracking. So we want to see who created it. Since they'll be logged in, we can grab the ID of the user and we'll have it be field. Because we're building a workflow, we're also going to track if it's approved by a different person. Okay. Have to stay one for the published spot. Oops. Published. So we'll go create it at, should be a date time, will be a field of time dot now, the current time in UTC. We'll copy this, we'll paste it for the updated. And then we'll approved at date time. This one will be able to be blank. So or null equals field default equals none, and nullable will be true. So if approved that, it will be published at, and then we'll have a notes field that we may use. Optional notes should be a string, and it will be okay to be blank. And we'll have a field which is the same as this. Copy it, and we will paste it. Oh, I'm going to install SQLite 3. SQLite 3, it's just the command line tool. So I'll go SQLite 3 test DB. Then we'll drop the table for food description. Drop table food description. Then we'll quit. At this point, our data still exists. Okay, we're going to try the migration again. So hopefully it'll upgrade it that there's no table there, so it should just create it. Upgrade. So now we'll go UV run opman. We'll run the server. Server's still running. Log into the admin panel. Okay, and we have all the fields here. Okay, we're going to stop it. Git add. And we'll push the changes up. The reason we needed to drop the table from the database is because we're using SQLite and it can't alter the existing table. It has some problems with it for the null fields especially. So if you have problems or you want to see the working source code, contact Jesse Kasman at jkasman@opkey.com. In the next video, we're going to create this service layer that will have the Python application do different functions with the database.